to start the equipment. The welcome page will come out after launching the equipment, and the interface for sex selection will follow. The interface operation of preset man and preset man. The interface operation of abs, glutes, shoulder, arms, thighs, and hamstring are the same. Use it for a body part. Select ABS. 5 modes are available. Each has 7 frequencies that switches automatically and starts with a 1-minute warming up. HIT, high intensity fat removal. Hypertrophy, muscle building. Strength, muscle strength training. Combo 1, enhanced muscle building and fat removal. Combo 2, enhanced muscle building and muscle strength training. The interface operation of HIT, hypertrophy, strength, Combo 1, and Combo 1 are the same, selected for a client situation. Click HIT and get a large handpiece. Parameter setting. Operating time range is 5 to 60 minutes, 30 minutes is suggested. Energy level range is 1 to 10, 2 to 7 is advised. Note, you can also set the parameters using the button on the handpiece. Fasten a strap of suitable length onto a treated area and insert a handpiece into it. Press the start button, click the pause button, remove the handpiece, and untie the strap.